Oh my gosh. See what that is? A yellow jacket. It's hanging off for dear life from the wind. Yeah. It's the 3rd of November, the night of the election. And it's still fall. As we all know that these creatures get more aggressive this time of year in order to prevent starvation. And this is why you see them at restaurants more. If you're outside, if it's like September or October, right now. So far in November it's been really windy and this yellow jacket's not moving away from the trampoline. I'm telling you, these things are very aggressive. Do not mess with them. They may sting you. Do not swat them or do not destroy that hive without special clothing that beekeepers wear, like sting-proof clothing, to prevent all the stings coming towards you. If you destroy the yellow jacket's hive, they will swarm very fast. They can swarm really fast and attack you in seconds. It gets really ugly. The yellow jacket is like one of the most aggressive wasps. It's probably unhappy with me at this point because I'm standing here recording it. But I'm not gonna get too close. I don't know what that is actually. It might be some yellow leaf or something. But I'm not taking any chances because I think I see some legs on it. I don't want to get too close, otherwise I'll get stung. Oh yeah, it's moving. Yeah, his tail's really long. Or hers. I don't really care about the gender, I'm just staying away. I'm not gonna get too close to it, otherwise I'll get stung. Because these things get really aggressive if they feel threatened. But they are considered aggressive. They also been hurting our honeybees throughout the years. And they can sting multiple times without dying, unlike a bee. You guys probably know all these facts, but I'm just telling you that New York gets really bad with these type of dum-dums this time of year because they're looking for food. I mean, they try to not cause any harm unless if you drive them to. They really don't want to attack you, but if you drive them to attack, then they will sting you. Yeah, with COVID going around, you have to social distance with people, but forever, you always have to social distance with that dum-dum. Hanging on my trampoline. Yeah, I see it moving. It's obviously a yellow jacket. Or a paper wasp. I don't really know. They look almost identical, but some features on them are different. They don't make honey in any way. And they have more than 100 in their colony. It's insane. It gets really scary when they start swarming. But you gotta like hold still or something in order to avoid this thing you wish to avoid. I've been stung by a hornet back in 2017 and it hurt. I'm not gonna go near this thing, otherwise I'll get stung again. This thing can be really painful. You gotta be careful this time of year in New York. Back in Buffalo in 2017, in September, It was really bad. That they've been setting up traps everywhere, even in the zoo. Even pets were getting stung. Last year, my yard was really bad. They were like everywhere, and I didn't want to take the stairs once because while I was taking the dog down, there was one big one right there. A totally different yellow jacket, and I didn't want me or the dog to get stung. Because we don't know how bad it could be for a dog. I don't want to risk it. I'm not going to go near this thing. It's because I'll get stung. So I guess that's it. I'm going to get out of here before it gets mad with me. I guess that's it. Bye.